Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can center your divs like a CSS card. So I'm going to give you 3 ways to center your div. And without much talk, let's get straight into the video.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back got disappear. But if it don't
Okay, gang, let's get to it. Okay, definitely you can see all we have created is a basic HTML boilerplate and linked it to our custom CSS where there is definitely nothing here. So I just want to paste some basic default styling here so we can focus on all the positioning and stuff. So I'm just going to give the body some height, a width. Then we want to hide the overflow so you don't have that annoying like extra scroll bar that comes to the bottom and the side. None of that. And you also want to style up the div so that the div looks good, div looks fantastic, you know. So I'm just going to create the awesome. We're going to access the div through the awesome class we assigned it that way, and then just paste it in there. Okay, perfect. So we have pasted that and we have our div looking beautiful. So I'm just gonna comment this out so that we do not tamper with any of this styling. So I'm just going to call this the div styles. Okay, simple enough. So I'm going to show you how to position like a goddamn god. So there are several ways you can do this. We have the classic approach. The classic approach was the one used, when CSS first came into the picture, which was, you would have to create an absolute. You'd position the element with the position absolute. Then you'd actually just translate it by pushing it to the right by 50%, and then from the top by 50%, then just translating it back. Okay, let's try this out. So you want to do position absolute and just set that to top. No, let's do left 50%. And for the top, let's also do 50%. Okay, this guy. Once you have done that, your bra top 50%. It's going to look like it has worked, but you see it hasn't. So you have to translate it by using the transform translate property, and then do -50% and -50%, bringing it to the absolute center. This was a fantastic way. It used to be fantastic, but nah, there are much better ways of doing this. So that's how CSS Flexbox came along. So let's do that. So all you have to do for Flexbox is you have to give the property to the parent div to be a display flex. So whatever you now give it, like justifying the content to the center, it will justify all the elements to the center, and then you can align it vertically by using align items center, and that's it. You have perfectly aligned a div and centered it to the center of your document. Anyway, that was we thought that was the best thing that ever happened to web development. We were wrong. There's a much easier way, and you can do this using display grid. And once you've just assigned the parent to be display grid, all you have to do is just type in place items center. That's simple, and you have your div right in the center. Please like and subscribe for more, and be sure to check out the website fortunedevacademy.com.